Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Greentherm. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot a C5 error code. Let's get started. If you are receiving a C5 error code, the bypass water valve is disconnected or damaged. To troubleshoot this error code, check the bypass water valve wire connections and repair. If the problem persists, remove the bypass water valve and check if it is clogged. If it is clogged, the appliance will continue to operate without the bypass. Replace the bypass water valve and flush the appliance. After you replace the valve, proceed with bypass water valve calibration described in section 6.7 of the installation manual. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.